How to fix Discord image not loading. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now first you have to go and open the settings of your device. Then go directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see, you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just open Discord. Then go to storage, and on storage go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And now you have to open Wi-Fi and close it. And also the important things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord. And that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.